In this geometric construction problem, you're given 3 random points in space. You're asked to draw a circle that intersects all 3 points, points A, B, and C. This is one that I think the most fun and interesting because it's kind of like a neat little trick. So the way you get started with this is connect any of the points so that you get 2 line segments. You don't need to do all 3, just any of the 2. So I'm going to use my straight edge and I'm just going to connect the dots. And again, it doesn't matter which ones. But we're just going to connect 2 segments. Now, once you've done that, you're going to bisect each one separately. So I'm going to start with segment AC, and I'm going to create the bisector. And then I'll repeat that for segment AB. Okay. The point at which those 2 bisectors intersect, which is right there, that is now the center of the circle. So if you put the pin of the compass right where those 2 intersect and touch the lead so that it is at any one of the 3 points, we should be able to draw our circle, and it should intersect all 3 points, giving us the solution to the problem. Quick, simple, and fun.